A warm greetings to one and all. In this session, let's start with Introduction to Machine Learning. Topics to be covered in this session are comparison between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, introduction to learning, learning by experience with respect to human, machine learning, what and why, machine learning definitions and applications. As a part of introduction, we all know that the artificial intelligence, that is AI, is the broadest field involving machines performing tasks that requires human-like intelligence. Next, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where machine learns from data to make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed. So next, deep learning is a more specialized subset of machine learning using multi-layered neural networks to handle complex tasks like image and speech recognition. Now let's compare artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning with respect to various aspects. So first, definition. Artificial intelligence focuses on creating intelligent machines, whereas machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Whereas deep learning is a subset of machine learning that employs neural networks to learn hierarchical representations of data. Next, approach. Artificial intelligence involves the simulation of human intelligence to solve complex problems, whereas machine learning relies on statistical techniques to enable computers to learn from data. And deep learning utilizes neural network with multiple layers to extract features and patterns from data. Next, data dependency. Artificial intelligence is based on both structured and unstructured data to make informed decisions, whereas machine learning depends on labeled and unlabeled data for training and testing. Deep learning requires a large amount of labeled data to train complex models. Next aspect is feature extraction. Artificial intelligence can involve rule-based approaches or expert knowledge for feature extraction, whereas machine learning automatically extracts feature from data using algorithm. Deep learning learns hierarchical representation of features from raw data without explicit feature. Next, complexity. Artificial intelligence can range from simple rule-based system to complex cognitive architecture. Machine learning can handle moderate complexity tasks depending on the size and quality of data. Deep learning excels in handling high dimensional and complex data, but it requires significant computation. Next, applications. So widely applicable in various domains such as healthcare, finance, and robotics in artificial intelligence. Whereas machine learning is used in areas like image recognition, NLP, and recommendation system. Deep learning is commonly applied in computer vision, speech recognition, and NLP. Introduction to learning. The definition is a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. If its performance at task T as measured by P improves with experience E. Let's check out few examples. The first one is a chess learning problem. Task T is playing chess. Performance measure P is percentage of games won against opponents. Training experience E is nothing but playing practice games against itself. The next example is spam classification problem. The task T is classifying emails as spam or not spam. Performance measure P is nothing but classifying the ham and spam mails correctly. Training experience E, that is A labeled datasets of emails where each mail is marked as spam or not spam. So hope you're clear and learning. Here, the comic strip shows a child's journey from riding tricycle to mastering a bicycle. It begins with child observing others on bicycle and wanting it to learn. Her father prepares her. As she tries, she faces setbacks, that is falling and feeling frustrated. However, with her father's support, repeatedly she keeps practicing. Eventually, she gains confidence, experiences a breakthrough, and finally masters the bicycle. It is a simple analogy for how human learns. Yes, human learns everything automatically from experience. Here, the machine learns the concept of addition by being trained on data sets that includes example like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. These examples serves as the training data that the machine, that is a robot, understand how addition works. After learning from past data, the machine, that is robot, is ready to make predictions. It receives an input question like, what is 5 plus 5? Based on its training, the model processes the input and predicts the output. In this case, it predicts that 5 plus 5 is equivalent to 10. So it is a simple analogy for what is machine learning. Yes, machine learns from past data with help of machine learning techniques. So hope you are clear in what is machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning as a set of methods that can automatically detect patterns in data and then uses the uncovered patterns to predict future data or to perform decision making under uncertainty. Machine learning is a data-driven technology where it includes data science, statistics, probability, computer science, and algorithmic aspects arising from learning iteratively from data and finding hidden insights which can be used to build intelligent applications. They use historical data as input to make predictions, classify information, cluster data points, reduce dimensionality, and even help to generate new content as demonstrated by new ML-fueled applications such as ChatGPT. Next, why we need machine learning. The rapid growth of big data requires machine learning. To effectively analyze vast amount of information and facilitate accurate data-driven decision making. For example, Google uses machine learning to improve search algorithms, providing more search results based on user behavior and preferences. Similarly, YouTube also employs machine learning to recommend videos to user by analyzing their views history and engagement. It also ensures personalized content delivery. So this enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and ability to handle complex and large-scale problems across various domains. Machine learning definition is it is a subset of artificial intelligence known as machine learning, focuses primarily on the creation of algorithms that enables a computer to independently learn from data and previous experience. Arthur Samuel first used the term machine learning in 1959 and defines machine learning as a field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Next, machine learning applications. Automatic language translation. Suppose if you are moving to a new place and if you are not aware of the language, it is not at all a problem, since machine learning helps us by converting the text into our known language. The best example is Google Neural Machine Translation. Next, medical diagnosis. Machine learning assists in diagnosing diseases and predicting the position of lesions, aiding in detection of conditions like brain tumors. Stock market trading. Machine learning predicts stock market trends using neural networks to manage the risk of share price fluctuations. Online fraud detection. Machine learning detects fraudulent transactions using neural networks by identifying the patterns in transaction data. Virtual personal assist. Assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa uses machine learning to understand and act on voice commands for tasks like playing music and scheduling appointments. Image recognition. So identifying objects, people's place, and digital images like Facebook auto-friend tagging uses face detection algorithms from DeepFace project. Speech recognition. It converts voice instruction into text used in virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. Traffic prediction. So here, Google Map predicts traffic conditions using real-time location data and historical data to suggest the shortest routes. Product recommendation. E-commerce and entertainment platforms like Amazon and Netflix recommend products and content based on the user interest through machine learning algorithms. Self-driving cars. Tesla uses unsupervised learning to train models for detecting people and objects, enabling autonomous driving. Email spam and malware filtering. Here, filters email to important, normal, and spam categories using algorithms like multi-layer perceptron, decision tree, and navy bias. Thank you all.